Alright, a lot of times you're working on something. A lot of us like to use the impact wrench. And I got two broken bolts right here. So, a little quick one on showing you how to get out broken bolts. If you can get the damn thing back in the vise. I need it higher than that. All right. So this is actually the bottom. All right, so I got in a hurry the other day with the big Milwaukee impact wrench and broke these two off. So this is the bottom. The top of the bolt is the part that broke off. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna take these nuts, slide them over there, we're gonna weld them up. That's gonna give us a new head to grab onto with a wrench, and it's gonna apply a lot of heat into the locked up sections right here, and we should be able to back them out. I'm gonna do both of these at the same time. Weld them up. All right, clean up a good spot for the ground. All right, we got that. We got too many wires bundled up down here. Now, if you have a bolt that's broken flat, you can put a washer right over the bolt like it'd be on this one. Tack that and then put a nut on top of that. Just anything to build a platform where you can get something solid to weld to, and that you're not welding on things that you don't want to weld to. All right, let's see what we got here. Alright, that one's coming right out. Sometimes, I mean, these were broken, you know, they were tight, and then once the head broke off, they're not that loose, but you can see they're tightening up at the end here. But all that heat input kind of breaks all that crud loose. And just remember when you're playing around with these that you just welded them. So they're hot and the wrench is going to get hot. And that's just a little quickie. For anybody that hadn't seen that before, that's just a little quick pulling bolts by welding. See y'all on the next one.